Hello there, I'm Prasad Diwan, a full stack web developer at Innofite Technologies. I'm a 2015 batch pass out from the IT department. I believe you all are doing fantastic. Today I'm going to introduce you to the E framework. E is a PHP MVC framework. Do you know what is a framework? Let me tell you. A framework is a platform for developing software applications. It provides a foundation or a boilerplate on which software developers can build programs for a specific platform. Like E or Laravel is a framework built on top of PHP language. To understand the benefits of the framework, let's take a very simple example of a database connection. With a framework, you would not worry about the underlying code for implementing the database connection. You simply provide the configuration details such as database name, database username, and its password. That's it. You are connected to the database. This streamlines the development process since programmers don't need to reinvent the wheel each time they develop a new application. Now, what is E? E is pronounced as E and it is an acronym for Yes It Is. E is a high performance component based PHP framework for rapidly developing modern web applications. It is a generic web programming framework, meaning that it can be used for developing all kinds of web applications using PHP. Because of its component based architecture and sophisticated caching support, it is especially suitable for developing large scale applications such as portals, forums, content management systems, e commerce projects, RESTful web services, and so on. E shines when deployed under LAMP or LAMP stack. Usually on your local computer, we use XAMPP or MAMP to run PHP MySQL web applications. However, when you want to deploy E on a production environment, you need a server similar to XAMPP or MAMP. LAMP or LAMP stack sets up a server and provides you with a rock solid foundation to run E based application. But do you know what is LAMP or LAMP stands for? So LAMP or LAMP stands for L for Linux, which is an operating system, E or A for Nginx or Apache, which is a web server, M stands for MySQL or MariaDB, whereas P stands for PHP. Now let's take a look at features of the E. Now we know the high level overview of the E framework. Let's dive into its features. First, E is easy to install and maintain using Composer. Composer is a PHP dependency manager. Composer is a small piece of application which helps us to install any external libraries, modules, plugins into our project. If you don't want to use Composer, you can still install and set up E using its archive file. E is a pure PHP object-oriented framework that makes use of all of PHP's latest features. E is based on MVC design pattern. MVC stands for Model View Controller. Any modern web application is structured using the MVC pattern. Let me give you a brief idea about MVC. M stands for model, which is responsible for communicating with the database. V stands for view. View handles the design aspect of the application and is responsible for accepting the inputs from the client side, pass it to the controller, and show the result back to the client. C stands for controller. Controller is a glue between view and model and handles all the incoming requests to the application, processes them, and return the response to the view. That's an MVC. Now let's talk about the G. G is sort of a web genie for E developers. Why? Because it writes the code for you. Using G tool, you can create modules, an entire CRUD application, forms, internal modules, and much more. CRUD is the basis for any application, and with G, you can build it in just a few seconds. How awesome is that, right? Next, security measures in E. E comes with several built-in security features such as password hashing and validating using cryptography, cross-site request forgery protection, we call it as CSRF protection, cross-site scripting protection, or it is known as XSS attack, protection from SQL injection attacks, role-based access controls, etc. When it comes to the performance of the web application, caching plays a crucial role. Caching enables the server to store pieces of frequently used information onto the client side for performance optimization. E provides a layered caching system, meaning the caching is done at multiple layers, be it at the data level or page level. Next is extensibility. Extensibility plays an important role when you have to customize the core of the framework and bend the framework to serve your needs. E is best suitable for such use cases. Virtually every component of the framework is extensible. This makes the framework highly usable in various situations. E can be used for full stack development. Full stack development refers to the development of both the client side and server side. Client side refers to the UI UX part of the project. UI means user interface and UX means user experience. Client side, also known as front end. Server side. Server side refers to the application logic, database, etc. Server side is also known as backend. Generally, the frameworks are built to support only one side. Take the example of the famous framework Node.js. It supports backend development, or React, which supports only front-end development. On the other hand, E supports both. Isn't it cool? You can design as well as develop end-to-end applications using just one framework, that is E. As you can see from the images, most of the countries in the world use E. Russia dominates the world with the highest number of websites built in E. The Russian community is very active supporting and maintaining the framework. There are more than 1 lakh websites built using E framework. E framework has better usage coverage in more website categories, including science and education, law and government, health, finance, etc. Whereas Laravel is leading in computers, electronics and technology, arts and entertainment, travel and tourism, news and media, etc. Let's take a look at the opportunities in the E. There are a lot of opportunities for skilled developers. I can say skilled e-developers. More than 1 lakh jobs have been posted on Naukri.com. There are a growing number of opportunities for e-professionals and freelancers on world's top platforms like Upwork. Let me tell you one thing from my experience. Framework teaches you the way a modern application works and its core concepts. So if you learn one framework, then you can easily switch between frameworks as it's just a matter of syntax and directory structures. Learning resources for E. The internet has been our good old friend for almost all learning resources. E isn't an exception to it. The first link is of the E framework guide that has been highlighted purposely because it is the Bible for E. This guide is your starting point. Of course, for quick tutorials, you can watch the YouTube video series from the channels The Codeholic and Doing It Easy. They have also explained it very well, but if you stuck somewhere, then go back to the guide. So that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the session. If you have any queries, do reach out to me at prasad@innofite.com, or you can visit our website innofite.com to know more about us. I wish you all a great future and a successful life. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.